Bonjour! It's my final day here in Paris. So I just checked out of my hotel. They're holding my big bag. I've got my little bag with me. I'm taking myself to lunch at one of my favorite places, a little Italian spot. And then I fly to India tonight. And it's been a major bucket list country for me. Not only because I love Indian food, and that tends to be how I pick my destinations, but also just because I think the culture is going to be amazing. I'm meeting up with a giant group of girls, which will be cool. Great opportunity to make some new friends that love to travel. And on top of that, we're going for Holi. If you don't know what Holi is, basically it's like the festival of colors in India, where they throw, it's basically a giant paint throwing party, which I think is going to be really, really fun. I'm kind of scared about getting it in my eyes. I'm really nervous I'm gonna accidentally dye my hair a crazy color. I think I've found a fix for that, hopefully. If not, I have a hair appointment when I get home for them to fix it, because apparently blondes don't fare well during Holi. So we'll see how that goes. But first up, I'm gonna go so I can enjoy my nice walk along the Seine. Okay, so I made it to the airport. Had enough time to do a little bit of work, eat a little bit of my leftover cheese, and next stop, India. Okay, so we made it to Delhi. The flight was the least comfortable flight I've ever been on. It was kind of horrific, to be honest. The lights never dimmed. The seats were incredibly old, but we made it. And I think I slept maybe an hour. So we're just going to go through customs and then get a SIM card, maybe a little bit of cash, and find our ride pickup. And then hopefully sleep a couple of hours. We'll see. I'm both excited and exhausted. So we're out exploring India. We're in New Delhi, and we just got to the Lotus Temple. It's one of the more modern temples. It was made to look like lotus flower. We just went inside. Basically, you do have to take your shoes off. You don't have to cover your shoulders. And you go in and you sit in silence. And essentially, it's like, you're supposed to go in and reflect or pray or do whatever. But My main takeaway is I noticed that a lot of people have a hard time sitting still, and a lot of people have a hard time being silent. So for me, that was the most interesting thing, just going in and kind of watching people, because it's really fascinating, I think, for our generation especially, just can't sit still. So yeah, that was my main takeaway, but either way, it's really cool to check out while you're in New Delhi. So now we're in the old city. We just got here at sunset and it's super gorgeous. There's also a lot of steps, so should be paying attention, but it's lovely.